Pioneer's Mixtrax can create a club-like atmosphere in your car with cool DJ-style transitions and effects between songs and a great light show. To get started with Mixtrax, just plug in your iPhone or drop some music onto a USB thumb drive, and we'll plug the thumb drive in right here. The system will switch to the USB source and begin to play a track. To activate Mixtrax, just touch button number 3. Mixtrax activates and begins to play back the track. As you can see, the lights of the head unit are reacting to the beat of the music. And we'll hear cool DJ transitions between songs. Let's check out some of Mixtrax settings. So we're going to press in on the volume control, and let's go to the Mixtrax menu. Here's Mixtrax. First thing we see is shorten playback mode, so let's press enter here. Here we can shorten the playback of any given song in our playlist down to 1 minute, or we can extend that out to about 3 minutes. If you want, you can turn shorten playback off, but if you like to hear the transitions between songs, switch that shorten playback mode on to 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, and every minute or so you'll hear a transition between songs. When you're done, you can press the back button, and we'll roll over to our next setting, which is the flash area, and we'll press enter here. Here we can have the key and display area flashing. We can have just the key area, or we can turn the flashing off. For right now, let's keep the key and display area. We'll go back and roll over to our next setting, which is the flash pattern. We'll press in, and here you'll find a number of different patterns that you can choose from with the lights that are going on the screen, and you can choose any one of these, including low pass settings and random settings. That'll bring us back around. When you've chosen a flash pattern, we'll go back and roll over to the next setting, which is our display effects. The display effects is the area right here where we see light patterns happen inside the display area. We can choose to have the display effects turned on or off. And we'll leave them on for right now and roll over to our next setting, which is our cut-in effects. Cut-in effects means when I use the arrow keys right here to skip between songs, we'll hear the DJ transition between songs. If you don't want to hear that, you can turn the cut-in effects on or off. For right now, I'll leave the cut-in effects turned on. And we'll roll over to our next setting, which is back around to our shorten playback mode. Remember, at any time, you can exit this menu by pressing the band button to escape.